Welcome to our tutorial on integrating PushEngage with WooCommerce to enable automated cart and browse abandonment playbooks. Boost conversions of your store with push notifications. You need to install the PushEngage plugin. Now you'll start by setting up your site. If you're new, select Register a new site. For existing users, simply connect your account. In the dashboard, navigate to Settings, then the Integrations tab, and click on WooCommerce under Available Apps and Services. Select Connect Integration to sync PushEngage with your WooCommerce store. Next, you'll configure the cart and browse abandonment settings. Enable the ready-to-use personalized cart abandonment and browse abandonment campaign. Just toggle it on and choose the name of the campaign. For each playbook, customize title, message based on your marketing strategy to maximize customer engagement and recovery. Avoid changing variables as this campaign integrates with your product feed and fetches the details like product name and price to add more personalization. Once all this is set up, you can regularly monitor campaign performance, analyze views, clicks, and conversion rates to tweak and improve your strategies for better results. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated PushEngage with WooCommerce to automate cart and browse abandonment campaigns. This will help you boost potential sales and increase customer engagement. Thank you for choosing PushEngage, and happy selling.